Hi, it's Ashley and Katie here with Createful Art, and today we're going to
paint a jellyfish.
If this is the first time we have met, we hope that you subscribe so we can create lots of stuff together. There is a link in the description below to createfulart.com where you can get a lesson plan that goes along with this lesson. Should we get started?
Yes.
Alright, let's get started. First, you're going to need some supplies. You're going to need some watercolor paper cut to the size that you would like, some wide flat brushes. You might want to use crayons, or you can use colored pencils, but not watercolor pencils. Okay, you'll need a palette and some water, acrylic paint, and that's it. So once you have all of those supplies, you can get started. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to get a white crayon or your white colored pencil, and we're going to draw a jellyfish. So Katie's going to be using the crayon, I'm going to be using the colored pencil. So since you're not going to be able to see this because it's white, I'm going to use a scratch piece of paper to show you the shapes. We're going to make the jellyfish like right here and then have the squigglies going down. So a jellyfish shape is kind of like a rounded hat. So it's going to round and go point to the top and then come around at the bottom. And then this right here is where there's lots of little, where all the little things come out of. And then this is the fun part. You can make these wavy however you like. You can make them wavy like this. You can make them go like this and reach each other like that. See how cool that is? See how I did that with waves? You can make them come out at each other. Okay, and just make a whole bunch of different waves. If it's easier for you, just make squiggly lines that reach all the way down to the bottom of this side of the paper. Then you're going to add some bubbles, which are just circles with a line like that, like a backwards C. You can make them all different sizes. You can make the C go on that side. Just a whole bunch of bubbles. You can also do some small circles, just like this if you like. Now you're going to take a color that you really like and you want it to be a complementary color to what your background is going to be. So I'm going to use pink and Katie's going to use teal, and I'm using pink because I'm going to use like a greenish blue color in my background. So now we're going to give the jellyfish some dimension with our colored pencil, and how we do this is we're going to follow the side lines of our jellyfish like this, and that's going to make it appear like this is all rounded. Okay, and then this down here, let's give it some little swirly loops. Like that. And then let's just do some lines that kind of come out like this. Make it look like it's a octopus a little bit. And that's going to make it look like it all comes together. And if you see one of your squiggly lines, you can go, white ones, you can go on the outside and just follow it a little bit. Just make a couple squiggly lines with it all the way down to the bottom. So the next step is to add paint to your jellyfish picture. So you're going to choose the paint that you want for your background, and it can be any color you would like. So be creative. You may have to mix your paints. If you just have red and yellow, you can make orange. Red and blue, make purple. You can add white to red and make pink. Okay, add the color you'd like to your palette. I have blue, green, and white, and Katie has green, white, and pink, and we're going to use these for the background. and to paint our jellyfish. Okay, so first of all, you want to get a lot of water on your brush. So you're going to take your water and you're going to place it on your paper all around your jellyfish. So what this is going to do is it's going to make your colors when you place them down bleed together. Don't let it dry. Let's move quickly to adding our paint. So I'm going to make kind of a light aqua color here. I'm going to add it onto my paper. And then watch as I add the blue. It's going to mix in there. I'll go around my jellyfish. Okay, and then just take your brush and you can make some circles. Like that. And with the bottom of your brush, you can have that little line that shines through. Okay, then we're going to use our brush again. And we're going to draw some squiggly lines that you can see. Now you're going to paint your jellyfish. I'm going to paint mine pink, and you're just going to want to put a light coat on top. Jellyfish are mostly see-through. I'm going to make sure that I have a little more pink down at the bottom. And I can go all the way to those sides because that white crayon I put down you'll be able to see it a little bit. Ours didn't show up that much. Oh well, we'll just work with this. So now that you're done with this, you can add whatever you would like on top of your painting with your crayons. So you can add more of these lines right through here. You could draw seaweed coming up. So here's how you could draw some seaweed if you like, with maybe some green. Some squiggly seaweed coming up like this. Like that. See how cool that is? And here's our jellyfish painting. I hope you enjoyed creating with us. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below how yours turned out.
And subscribe.
Don't forget your lesson plan that goes along with this lesson and 11 other beach-themed art lessons at createfulart.com. The link is in the description. Here are some other beach-themed art projects that we have been doing. Check these out. We will see you next time. Bye!
Bye.